Hi there, everybody. I am thrilled to welcome you to Understand Energy. I'm Jane Woodward. I have been involved in this class since 1991, delivering it to students, and I was inspired to do that because I took this class several decades ago, and it changed my life. So part of the reason that I'm motivated to be part of the teaching team and to ensure that this course is delivered is that part of what I'm hoping for is this class will have even some fraction of the impact on you that it had on me. So I am trained as a geologist. I grew up in Palo Alto. I was born in Stanford Hospital. I studied geology at UCSB as an undergrad, and I came to Stanford to get a master's degree in geology. And in the very first quarter that I was here, I took the equivalent of Understand Energy. And it really converted me from being someone who really thought I was going to be a geologist to someone who stayed a geologist for a little while, but then really pivoted to becoming really quite interested in the energy system and its complexity and its importance. So that's part of the reason I'm here, is that I want to keep, I view it as a really magnifying opportunity to deliver this class to Stanford students of all backgrounds, because if you understand our energy system, we really believe it will help you make better decisions no matter what you do. Just a teeny bit more about my background is along with studying geology and coming to Stanford for a master's in geology, I worked for ARCO for 3 years as an exploration geologist, looking at the whole US. I had a really extraordinary, some of us end up with some really great job opportunities, and I had that. And then I came to Stanford Business School. And when I did that, I actually co-founded a firm called Map Energy that is a fund manager and raised capital from endowments, foundations, and families, and invested very early in the shale gas plays in the United States, and then very early in wind energy in the US, and then very early in large-scale solar in the US, and then finally very early in standalone energy storage in the US. All of those very interesting energy transition, energy system evolution opportunities that I got to see as an investor, and that exposure helped feed the delivery of how we shared what was going on in those sectors in the classroom, and they were mutually beneficial to each other. In the last 3 years, I have been engaged in a new investment venture called WovenEarth Ventures that's really trying to build a risk-reduced opportunity to expose investors who are interested in early stage, climate tech. And so that is also about the further steps we're taking to decarbonize our energy system. So again, I'm thrilled you're here. I really, Diana, Kirsten, and I, as the leaders of delivering this class with Justine and our fantastic TAs, I think part of what we really hope for you, and you've seen this on our website and heard it from other members of the class, is to help you build a view and an understanding of energy for our planet, really, with a bias towards the United States, because that's where we have the most experience and data, to help you understand energy as a system, both the resources that we harness, like oil and coal and wind and solar and the flow of water, for instance, the energy currencies we create, because they don't exist naturally, like electricity or gasoline, and then the energy services we want to deliver, which are refrigeration, heating and cooling, pumping water, manufacturing, things like that. See how they all fit together. And in particular, I have a strong interest and always have in helping us understand how can we look at the demand side too? How can we be more efficient about how we use these resources to create currencies and deliver services? And how do we get more thoughtful about pricing what economists call externalities, which would be the environment and equity being two of the big topic areas. So thank you for joining us on this journey to better understand energy. And I look forward to meeting many of you along the way. Thanks.